Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lou. So this week I'm back with another look. This is my soft, flirty and cute freckle makeup look. I've been wanting to do this freckle look for a long time now and I think it turned out really well. So if you're interested to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. As usual, please don't forget to like this video and click on the subscribe button down below. And you can also find me on Instagram at Lou the Tooth Fairy. So go over there and follow me. And let's get started.
I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, and I'm using the shade Soul for the inner corner of my eyelid.
So I'm just curious to know how you guys are doing. For me, I live in Malaysia and things have pretty much gotten back to normal. There hasn't been a crazy increase in cases recently. They open up all the shops and the malls and stuff, so things are pretty much back to normal. But I haven't been going out much because I'm still trying to be careful. Before I proceed, I'm going to go in with the shade Love. And I'm just going to put it in the outer corner. So on Monday I went to IKEA because I needed to get some stuff, and they took a lot of precautionary measures, which was pretty good. They scan your temperature at the entrance, and you had to scan a QR code to register. I was pretty nervous because it was the first time I was going to a public space other than going to work. So it was kind of weird to see so many people again, but yeah. I'm going back with base just to blend out any harsh edges. But yeah, IKEA wasn't too bad. Everyone's wearing a mask. I think it was compulsory to wear a mask if you want to go into IKEA. So that was really good. I didn't buy a lot of things though. I just bought some kitchen stuff. I bought some clothes hangers, photo frames. I really like going to IKEA because like everything looks so nice. The only problem is that it makes you want to like renovate your kitchen. But yeah, basically most of the furniture in my house is from IKEA, so it's like I'm living in an IKEA showroom. But yeah, I like it. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. I feel like adding some shimmer, but I don't know which I should go for. Should I go with like the pink Wild Child, or do I go with Dazzling? Okay, I'm gonna go in with Wild Child. I'm gonna use my fingers and I'm going to put it in the center of my eyelids. So I'm gonna do the same for my under eyes. I'm gonna put the purple in the inner corners and then pink in the outer corners. And yesterday I had a lunch date with one of my girlfriends, which was also the first time I was going to dine in a restaurant since Corona happened. But it was really good because the noodle place that we went to, they also took precautionary measures. You had to scan your temperature at the entrance, and they only allowed a certain amount of people in at one time. So I'm pretty glad that business owners are taking these measures seriously and helping to keep everyone safe and flatten the curve. Okay, this turned out more intense than I expected it to, but it's okay. Ooh, I like it. It's pretty. I think I'm pretty satisfied with that. I'm gonna proceed with the other eye, and yeah. The borders are still closed for us. We're not allowed to travel overseas, but the government is now encouraging us to travel within the country. So that's good because, you know, you still get to go somewhere. My husband and I are considering to take a road trip somewhere, but you know, we're still kind of paranoid, so I don't know if we would actually go. But I think right now is a pretty good time to travel within the country because a lot of hotels are offering really affordable prices and there's a lot of discounts and stuff. I guess they needed to boost their sales and stuff, so if we were gonna go stay in a fancy hotel, it would be pretty reasonable. Now I'm going in with Love, like the other eye. I'm just gonna put it in the outer corner. I'm slightly dragging it inwards where my crease is here, just so, you know, right above the purple there's a little bit of pink. But other than that, life has been pretty much normal for me. To be honest, even during quarantine, life was pretty normal for me because I was still going to work. The only difference is that I wasn't going in every day. But yeah, I was still going out and I was treating patients. Okay, the eyes look pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna draw my eyeliner really quickly off camera. I'm gonna use my Too Cool for School brown eyeliner and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've put on my eyeliner and my lashes as well. For my lashes, I'm using these Miche Bloomin lashes. This is in... Okay, I tore out the sticker, but I don't... Oh, it's number 29, but it's in Japanese, so I can't really tell what name it is, but it's number 29, and I really like these lashes because this brand, the bands are really nice and soft, and so it makes it very easy to apply, and this particular style, it's quite dramatic. So anyways, before I start with the freckles, I'm going to highlight my inner corners. For my inner corners, I'm going in with Dreamer. So I'm gonna put on freckles now. I'm going to use a combination of my Anastasia Brow Wiz and also my Innisfree eyebrow pencil. So I'm gonna start with my eyebrow pencil first because it's a little thicker, so I can put on the bigger freckles first. I always like to start with putting on bigger freckles. I can do the smaller ones later, you know? So freckles comes in all shades and sizes, so to make it look as natural as possible, you just gotta like randomly like put them on, you know? If you feel like some are too dark, you can just like lightly dab it with your fingers. So I'm gonna use this like angled brush kind of thing and dip it into my Dipbrow Pomade. So I think this is a good amount of freckles. I really like it. I think it looks really cute. So just to blend it out, I'm going to go in with blush. I'm using my MAC blush in Melba. And I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I am obsessed with this gloss. And this is how I created this cute freckle makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like how this turned out. I'm really obsessed with purples and the pink and also of course the freckles. I think it's a really cute look. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and click on the subscribe button down below. It would mean a lot to me, and I'll see you next week. Bye!